Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore an African money spell designed to attract wealth and prosperity into your life. This spell draws on traditional African spiritual practices and is deeply rooted in intention and respect for the natural world. Let's start by gathering the materials you'll need: a green candle, symbolizing wealth and prosperity, a piece of paper, a pen, a bowl of fresh water for cleansing and purification, a few coins representing wealth, a small piece of cinnamon for attracting money, a fireproof dish, a lighter or matches. Optional, a small plant or herb like basil or mint known for attracting money. Find a quiet, clean space where you won't be disturbed. Arrange your materials in front of you. Place the green candle in the center with the piece of paper and pen beside it, the bowl of water, coins, and cinnamon nearby, and the fireproof dish ready for use. Start by cleansing your space. Dip your fingers in the bowl of fresh water and sprinkle it around your area, creating a circle of purification. Light the green candle and take a few deep breaths to ground yourself. Focus on your intention, attracting wealth and prosperity into your life. Take the piece of paper and write down your financial goal or the amount of money you wish to attract. Be specific and clear. For example, I attract $500 for my upcoming expenses. Hold the coins and the piece of cinnamon in your hand and close your eyes. Visualize money flowing into your life effortlessly. Feel the abundance and joy of having your financial needs met. When you feel ready, place the coins and cinnamon around the base of the candle. Hold the piece of paper and focus on the candle flame. With conviction, recite the following spell. By the light of this green flame, I call upon the spirits of abundance. May wealth and prosperity flow into my life, just as water flows in a river. As I will, so mote it be. After reciting the spell, carefully light the piece of paper with the candle flame and place it in the fireproof dish. As it burns, imagine your financial goals becoming reality. Once the paper has burned completely, extinguish the candle safely. Collect the coins and cinnamon and keep them in a safe place until your financial goal is achieved. You can also carry a coin or a piece of cinnamon with you as a reminder of your intention. And that's it. Remember, the key to any spell is belief and intention. Trust in the process and be open to receiving the wealth and prosperity you seek. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more magical content. Good luck, and may your finances be blessed.